Here's how to borrow games from a friend on Steam. First, ask the friend who owns the game to open Steam on their computer. They need to click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings or Preferences. Then open the Family section. From there, select Manage Family. Here, they can create a new Steam family. Click Create a Family, enter a name for the family, and complete the setup. Once the Steam family has been created, ask your friend to invite your Steam account. They should add you to the family and select the adult role for your account. You will then receive the family invitation on your Steam account. Open Steam and accept the invitation. Once you accept, you will be added to the Steam family as an adult member. After joining, go to your Steam library. Games owned by your friend that are available for family sharing should now appear in your library under the Steam Family Library. You can install and play supported games without buying them yourself, as long as the games are eligible for Steam Family sharing. Keep in mind that not every game can be shared through Steam families, and some titles may be excluded by the publisher. That's all for this video. Thanks.